See this? 1, 2, 3, 3 flashes. 3 flashes. Okay, now we kinda stuck open when we released it somehow. The switch. We removed the tube and then we just made it unstuck. Let's see if this works. I still see 3 green, 3 flashes, and that thing is still not working. So it's still the issue. So we need to probably replace the switch. So I just removed the inducer motor from our furnace. So this is the switch. It was complaining that this switch was wrong, but that was not the case. Then we removed the inducer motor. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is the inducer motor. This one has the motor behind, and there is a I removed to get the model number, by the way, see if it works or not. So what I'm going to do is, we found there is this tiny hole has some gunk at the end, and it's not sucking the air pressure switch. If the switch is not closed, then it won't send voltage to this part of the furnace where you have the igniter and the gas. Okay, so what happens now, if the switch is not closed, if it's open, it shuts down the furnace, right? So for that to happen, this hole needs to suck in the switch from this tube. Okay, so I'll show you how it works. Now let's go and remove the gunk, and then the gunk is, you can see, I don't know if you can see, it's in this tiny hole. There's a white thing at the end of the tube, and that is preventing it sucking in the switch. Okay, so I'm going to clean it up and then I'll come back again. Okay, thanks. Coming back to this, so I cleared this tiny hole with a small needle, and now apparently that unclogged the thing, whatever it was. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it here. Okay, so Prana, come here for a second. Hold this for me, please. Okay, thanks. Okay, you stepped on something. I don't know what it is. Okay, now I'm going to align it. Can you take this for a second? Okay, give me another screw for me, please. Okay, give me that. Let's go ahead and put this together. Okay, that goes in perfect there, and then give me one that goes here. See, I was about to order this. It was supposed to be like $88 or something. Let's see if this works. Then we have a solution. Okay, give me this. It's not going here. Here's the screwdriver.
I don't have it.
I'm just tightening this very tight. Okay, that's done. Let me put this guy back. And then here. Okay, here. And then here. Okay, do you remember which one go where? Black on the bottom, it says, and this goes on the top. And there's one more screw I need for that. Oh, for all these 3, right?
Yep.
You know what we can do? We can put one and see. So So let's do one thing. Let's go ahead and connect this tube here for that air pressure switch. So hopefully, okay. Now it's time to go ahead and turn on the AC unit on. Got this connected here. There's a switch and there's a tube goes here. We'll adjust it a little later once we get the whole thing set up. So now what I'm going to do, turn on this emergency on, and I'll turn on the AC furnace or heater on. Let's see what happens. See that light? It's steady on. Induction is running. It's steady on. Switch. Let's see the igniter comes on. This is a good indication that it's steady on, meaning it's working fine. So now you can see the ignition coming on, and the gas starts coming. 1, 2 seconds. So we're going to get the induction motor, new one, but inducer motor.